I am Taylor North with San Luis Bay Realty, and this is the San Luis Bay Estates, the premier gated community of the Central Coast. Kingfisher Canyon is only minutes away from the Avila Beach Golf Resort. It's minutes away from the Avila Barn, which is a beautiful facility. We're also very close to the Dolphin Bay Resort and Spa, which is the premier luxury hotel in the whole Central Coast. This is the gatehouse, which welcomes you into the San Luis Bay Estates, the enchanted hillside covered in homes, oak forests, and over 1,000 acres of property. Up here in Kingfisher Canyon, we have 4.5 miles of private hiking trails, which is great for you if you love to live in the outdoors or be outside in nature. Within 1.2 miles of the new construction sites is Cal Fire Department to keep you and your family safe at all times. The lovely new homes here in Kingfisher Canyon are built by BDC Development. They're a third-generation builder who's been in the Central Coast for over 25 years. They do 2x6 exterior walls, which creates better insulation and a better home for you, which is going to last a longer period of time. As you can see, the views around here in this community are absolutely breathtaking. There's over 700 acres of open space, which every home is walked by the builder to capture the views. The quality at BDC Development is second to none here in the community or anywhere else inside the Central Coast. These are custom wrought iron front doors to your house. And the beautiful thing is, the glass can actually open up to allow fresh air to move in and out of your house, while keeping it locked and secured. Every home is also designed with custom art nooks throughout the house to really emphasize any special sculptures, pictures, or anything that you love. It's beautiful to have. Marble slabs presented with a mirrored backsplash. They do a beautiful mantelpiece around the fireplace as well as an entertainment system, and they pre-wire for surround sound in your home. So every room on the top floor is going to be perfect for having large entertainment or just enjoying the game at the end of the day. They do beautiful seating areas around many of the floor plans inside the living rooms. They do 8 to 10 foot ceilings, and in some special locations they'll do a popped 12-foot ceiling to enhance the living room and make it feel a lot larger and capture more of the beautiful views inside the community. As you can see above here, they've also placed in a recessed nook to place custom blinds inside of your home, which is beautiful to have, and the flooring varies from a European white oak to maple or anything of your choosing. You get that customization with a pre-purchase option. The countertops are beautiful granite. They do vary of different varieties depending on the home, the floor plan, and what reflects from the outside. The cabinets are all custom built inside of every home from a local cabinet maker who does it on site in every single house. And as we move over to the kitchen, the homes in this community are going to be finished off to the highest standard. We do Wolf range gas cooktop, we do sub-zero refrigerators, we do a microwave drawer, and as you can tell, very open conceptual floor plan. The homes up here in Kingfisher Canyon back into open space for complete privacy so you can enjoy every moment of every day. BDC Development spares no expense when it comes to your outdoor entertainment and living area. Thank you for watching our video about the new homes in Kingfisher Canyon inside the San Luis Bay Estates. please go to our website, www.sanluisbayrealty.com, or call our office at 805-595-7900 for more information.